Are you looking for an exciting career opportunity where you can unleash your sales potential and drive your success to new heights? Look no further than the Trade Mastermind. Now, you may have recognized me from winning the Apprentice back in 2015 and being Lord Sugar's first business partner in trade and construction. And at the Trade Mastermind, we offer cutting-edge training solutions to help businesses scale up. From lead generation to sales to systems, processes, and finance. In today's competitive market, businesses need to not just be great technicians, but be great business people if they want to thrive and dominate. We help businesses to achieve their goals, and we want you to come and join our organization to help those businesses achieve their goals. And at Trade Mastermind, we want you to achieve your goals, and that's why we offer multiple levels of progression with market-leading salaries, incredible commission and bonus packages, and unparalleled company benefits. Our comprehensive sales training will equip you with the skills that you need to excel in your role. And we are looking for both senior salespeople and junior salespeople. We're looking for passionate individuals who share a drive to succeed. They're eager to learn and want to thrive in a dynamic sales environment that's target-driven and is all about success and personal development. If you are ready to take your sales career to the next level, we want you to join our team. To apply, simply email your CV and a covering letter to recruitment@trademastermind.co.uk. Take the first step towards an exciting and rewarding career in sales and come and be part of our success story at the Trade Mastermind. As I always say, success leaves clues, and we cannot wait to welcome you.